So if you have guessed now, let me announce the name of the first winner. Many congratulations.
मैं प्रिंसिपल कप्तान सर से गुजारिश करूंगा कि बच्चे को ट्रॉफी, सर्टिफिकेट और तमाम चीजें देकर इसका इस्तेमाल करें। साथ ही इस बच्चे के वालिद मोहतरम भी आए हैं, वसीम भाई हमारे बहुत करीबी हैं, तो उनसे भी गुजारिश करूंगा खालिद सर इस बच्चे के लिए तालियों, जोरदार तालियों से इस्तेमाल करें। बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद।
And this monetary award is also being given. The prize of 6,000.
तमाम सामईन एक बार ज़हन नशीब करें कि जो हमारे मेहमान के तौर पर मौजूद थी।
Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today, as I stand before you, I feel a deep sense of responsibility, not just to speak, but to share a vision that lives in the heart of every Indian. A vision of an India that is not just better, but extraordinary. A nation where every citizen can look around with pride and say, yes, this is India we dreamed of. Respected audience, India is a land of immense potential. A land where history whispers tales of greatness, where diversity dances in every corner, and where every sunrise brings hope. But remember, great things never come from comfort zones. If we are to create a better India, we must challenge ourselves, we must break the barriers, and we must sow the seeds of change. Wide awake people of my country, listen, my vision for a better India is one where every child can hold a book instead of burdens. Education should not just be about exams and marks, but about inspiring dreams, curiosity, and creativity. A better India will be one where education lifts us all, and India where no child is left behind, and no dream is too small to chase. We often call India Mother India. Do we treat her like a mother? Our rivers once pure and sacred now carry the weight of our negligence. Our rivers, our air once fresh now carries the smoke of our carelessness. My vision for a better India is one where cleanliness is next to godliness and where we live in harmony with nature, not at war with it. And mind you, we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it for our children. This planet, this country is not just ours. It belongs to the generation yet unborn. Friends, a better India will be a land where equality is not just a word in textbook, but reality in every home, every workplace, and every street. Today, disparities of caste, gender, and wealth hold us back like chains on our feet. My vision for a better India is one where these chains are broken, where the rising tide lifts all boats and progress touches the life of every Indian. My countrymen, India's beauty lies in its diversity, its countless languages, its religions, and its traditions. My vision for a better India is one where unity becomes our strength and tolerance our identity. Let us dream of an India where people of all faiths and beliefs stand together as one heart, one nation, where a Tamil speaker learns from a Punjabi friend, where a Muslim and a Hindu celebrate each other's festival, and where we teach the world that the true step of a country lies in the law is people share. Unity is not just a slogan, it is a foundation on which a better India must be built. Let us dream of an India where farmers use drones to monitor crops, where students in villages attend classes online, and entrepreneurs create solutions for global problems. Dear friends, a better India will be a land where equality is not just a word in textbook, and where characters and values guide us. What good is wealth if we lose our integrity? What use is progress if we forget compassion? Remember, integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. We must teach our children to be not just smart, but kind. Not just successful, but honest. A better India will be one where corruption finds no shelter, where truth is valued above all, and where service to the others, the rent we pay for living on this earth. As Rabindranath Tagore said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country away. Let us not wait for someone else to make India better. Let us be the change maker. Let us be the torch bearers of the dream. Because as they say, a single spark can ignite a fire. This is my vision for a better India, a nation that does not just survive, but thrives. Not just dreams, but achieves. Not just hopes, but inspires the world. Together, let us build this India for ourselves, for our future, and for the generation yet to come. Thank you. Have a good day.